Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to be designing this 3D object. If you are a beginner or you are looking forward to sharpen your skills, this channel is going to help you. If you are learning how to draw or create a 3D object, this channel is going to help you. But before we start, kindly click on the white button below to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. As you can see, this is the object and this is the 2D object. So we're going to create this from this 2D. So let's start with the length, the center of this circle from this point to this point. So we're going to use a line. But before that, we're going to turn our view to front view. So select southeast isometry, then come to this place, use front view. Then this will be on southeast isometry. So then this is radius of 20 and the length is 70. Line 170. Enter. The radius of 20, diameter of 20, radius 20, then diameter 20. So now I'm going to copy these two circles to this place. So copy. So now the center circle at the radius of 50. Radius 50. Enter. And then we're going to join this with a line. Trace it. So trace it. Also trace. Also trace it. Also trace this down. So this is it. So now I'm going to make this line to be tangent to this circle, all of them. So for us to do that, go to parametric, then go to tangent. Select the circle, select the line. Select the circle, select the line. Select the circle, line. The circle, line. Select the circle, the line. Select the circle, line. Select the circle, select the line. And select the circle and the line. So now as from this line is not touching the circle, but it's tangent to it, so we are going to extend the line. So extend. So extend. Enter. So now can now trim off all these points that is not necessary. So go back to home, trim. this. I'm going to press pull this, and the thickness is 40. So let's press pull 40. Enter. So let's use a 3D shape, shaded shape. So now we're going to draw this. I'm going to draw this circle. I'm going to draw this the inner circle. Now I'm going to draw the outer circle. It has a radius of 70 in the front and at the back. So diameter of 70. So select circle 70. Enter. So we press pull it, and the thickness is 20. Select press pull, thickness 20. So the same thing, we use a orbit, then turn it. Select this face using USS view. Accept. Then we do the same this side. Diameter of 70. But the thickness of this is 30. So press pull, enter. So turn our view again. So now we have the inner circle. The inner circle has diameter of 50 and is it's like a hole. So select circle, diameter of 50, enter. So we use press pull, select press pull. Now I'm going to drag it backward, click enter. The circle will open. So this is what we get. So now I'm going to draw this. I'm going to draw this, but before then, so you're going to draw this, but before then, for us to get this exactly, we're going to move this up. We're going to drag this up to get the 2D shape. Then we can now draw this. So click on the whole body, drag it up, drag it up. Then this is our shape. this is our shape. So we can delete this, we don't need it. Delete all this circle, erase them. So this is what we got. Now we can draw this. These are from the center to this place is 80. So use line from the center 80, enter. And now this is 75, so we're going to take it to the left 30. So we're going to divide it, and we're going to do 75 divided by 2, which is the 7.5. So to the right the 7.5, to the left the 7.5. So take it to the right, that's 7.5, enter. So we also use line, take it to the left, that's 7.5, enter. So we'll take it down, join it to this place, the same thing, we join this here. So we can now delete this line. So this is the shape that we have got. From this shape now we're going to delete, we're going to trim off all these points. These have to join. So from here now I'm going to trim off all these points. I'm going to trim off all it to get only this shape. So select trim, So now this is what we got. I've gotten the shape. So, and the thickness of this is 30. The thickness is 30. So we press pull this, press pull 30, enter. So we're going to make a box, rectangular box at the top of this. So we're going to create a rectangular box at the top of this, but from this point to this point is 5, and the thickness of this, since the center is 18, this point is 6. So that means the total length from this point to this point, the total length from this point to this point is 75. So now we calculate 75 minus 12, which will give you 63. So we are now going to do this 63. So select this face, select the top, accept. Then this 18. So use rectangle, the length is 63. Tab on your keyboard, you click on tab, then 18, enter. So select this, let's move this. So select this, we'll move it to this point, to this place, move the center to the center here. then we're going to shift it, move it up 6 going to drag it up 6, enter. So it's now at the center. No, I'm going to just move 6, enter. So we're going to move this, move 6, enter. So it's now at the middle. So now I'm going to press put this, and the press pull, the depth of this, the depth is 30. So select press pull, move it down 30, enter. So now select the object, you can move it on top of here. Select the object, move, so but it's now at the middle, and the length from this point to this point is 5. So we shift it 5, move it 5 backward, enter. So this is what we got.